Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as 2-inch lift kit, tow hooks, spray and bed liner, premium leather heated seats, trailer tow package, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. We're going to have this all black interior with lots of paneling, cup holder storage on the bottom, equipped with a Bose speaker sound system. Now it's coming up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the wood and chrome accent. The seats, you're going to have these premium leather heated seats with driver adjustable lumbar, super comfortable. Left side here, we're going to have our 2 or 4-wheel drive, as well as your trailer mode and drive mode selector and lighting controls. Left side of steering wheel here, you're going to have cruise control, forward collision alert, and your heated steering wheel. And the right side is your voice recognition and odometer cluster control with 2 matte black paddle shifters. Now we're in the showroom, so you can't really turn it on. There's the odometer here. You're going to have an all-digital display here that gives you access to music, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings. Again, you have to start it to see it all. And we'll move on, just push to start. And onto the infotainment system. So just let it start up here. On the bottom, you'll have lane keep assist, as well as your auto stop and hill descent control, as well as your rear lift gate controls. With your trailer tow and your dual zone climate control on the bottom, as well as 2 USB ports on the side there. Go back into demo mode here and onto the infotainment system. So equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Google Assistant and Maps. You can also access your rear camera with hitch guidance and as well as your hitch camera. Built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and Amazon Alexa. You can also see your trailer from here, as well as Google Podcasts. You're the brand new shifter with cup holder storage, as well as the new center console with wireless charging, 2 USB ports, and an AC wall charger. More storage inside. Passenger side, manually adjustable, leather heated finish still, wood and chrome all the way across. Speakers up top. And here you can access your reading lamps, as well as your rear sliding window and your OnStar services and SOS. So you're going to have these blacked out 18-inch aluminum wheels on Goodyear Territory mud terrain tires, black Z71 badging with the black mirror caps and black keyless entry door handles as well, with the Trail Boss badging, and the black corner step bumper with the dual black exhaust, as well as the trailer hitch and 5th wheel just under. There's the easy tailgate there. You're going to have 2 LED lamps on the sides, as well as an AC wall charger with 12 bed tie downs. It's a very spacious rear. Alright, moving on to the rear interior. Storage again, right next to the cup holder storage with the speakers right next to it. Power windows with the wood and chrome. Hop in the back. Lots of extra legroom. Storage behind the passenger and driver's seat with rear cup holders and rear ventilation and USB. As well as in the center, cup holder and armrest. Storage behind the seats as well. Storage under the seats with lamps up top and the handles on the side. Alright, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss, equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as Goodyear Territory mud terrain tires, as well as trailer tow, premium leather heated seats, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.